Well, we came to pick up our snowmobile, and I was going to do a video of it going on the trailer for you, but Dave at North Country, he got it up on the trailer before we even came outside. So, there it is on the trailer, ready to go home. It's an 89. It's an 89 Yamaha Ovation, and my guy who owns this place here, he thinks it is the most kick-ass sled ever. And we probably paid a little bit more to get it fixed up than we should have, but it's fixed up and we can tinker around the property with it. We don't have the ownership for it. It came with the house, so it's a freebie, so we put a little bit of money into it. But that'll be my snowmobile, because maybe next year we'll get a snowmobile, and this will be mine to tinker up and down the road on, maybe. So we're sending John out into the field to see if it gets stuck. Oh, he just did a jump. Because this isn't really for going through like super deep snow.
He's stuck.
He's stuck behind the snow pile. I'll have to go get him out somehow. It's not meant for how deep it is.
He left it.
Oh, its back end is buried. Sorry.
It's going to get Gargo.
Oh, sugar. We sent him out in case it got stuck, and it did.
No? No? You're not laughing at him, are you? In the video?
John's busting out there in his Argo to rescue the snowmobile. Is he gonna hook onto it?
Yeah. Well, hopefully I can get it stuck.
We have gotten a lot of snow up here, a lot more than normal, according to all the locals. See it dip down there? There it goes. Poor thing was buried. There's still a lot of snow out there. The nose is in the snow. So I went inside because my toes were frozen. But there's Bill. He's gonna come bring it up to the house and park it after we got it unstuck twice.